Hello, good day. I'm here to present fractions, also its kinds and operations. A fraction is a part of a whole. Fractions can be found everywhere and in any activity that we are doing. They can be found in construction and cooking our food too. Since we use them in measuring, fractions are part of everyone's life, and they help with our daily routine. And for now, we are going to teach you kinds of fractions. Proper fractions are fractions which the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Improper fractions are fractions which the denominator is lesser than the numerator.
Addition of fractions. In adding fractions, first we should make sure that our denominators are similar. Then, we simply add the numerator and copy the denominator. And lastly, we should always simplify the fraction to its simplest form. Subtraction of fractions. In subtracting fractions, just like in adding fractions, we first make sure that both denominators are similar. Then, we simply subtract the numerators and copy the denominator. And lastly, we reduce the fraction to its simplest form. Multiplication of fractions. In multiplying fractions, first, we simply multiply the numerator to each other. Then, we do the same with the denominators. And lastly, we reduce the fraction to its simplest form. Division of fractions. In dividing fractions, first we interchange the numerator and the denominator of the divisor. Or in other words, we should first find the reciprocal of the divisor. Then, we simply multiply the fractions. And lastly, we reduce the fraction to its simplest form.
Feeling tipsy when your lips they kiss me, and I can't control myself, baby. I know myself, baby. The whiskey got me feeling frisky, and I want to know you pretty, baby.
Oh yeah,
know you pretty, baby.
I wanna hold your hand like an old school jam, you classic. Can I be your man? We can dance in the sand till the tide rolls in. When the sun sets, let's do it again. If you upset, I'll show you how to grin. If you wanna dance, just tell me where and when. Babe, when the partying ends is when it all just begins.